Welcome viewers, this is Raj Maths channel. Broad revision of basic maths concepts is being continued. In this video, serial 15 has been uploaded. This is about algebra fundamentals. We define constants. We know all the integers like 3, 2, and negative integers -7, -8, all positive and negative integers, they are all constants. In algebra we have variables, alphabets x, y, a, p or any other alphabet. They are used in algebra and they are called variables. In algebra we have algebraic expressions. Now there are 3 examples here of algebraic expressions. This has 1 term, this expression has 2 terms which are 5x and y, and this expression has 3 terms. This expression has 3 terms, namely minus 3x square y, 7y and minus 5. Now in this term minus 3x square y, we say minus 3 is numerical coefficient and the balance x square y is called literals. It has variable factors x square and y. Like terms have same literals. For example, 3ab, 7ab minus 9ab. Now all these 3 terms have same literal, that is ab. Now product with like signs is positive. Here a and b are positive, so the product is positive, ab. Minus a, minus b, both have negative sign. The signs are like, so the product is positive. Here minus a into b, one is negative, the other is positive. So the product will be minus ab. Product is negative with unlike signs. This is just a simple example of division. How do we divide in algebra? This 2xy cube comes here as denominator and then we simplify it and we get 2xy square. This is another example of simplification with add and subtraction. Now in this expression there are 4 terms. We have grouped together the like terms. This and this have same literals a square b. And b square and 4b square have been kept together. They are like terms. After adding and subtracting, we get this minus a square b plus 5b square. In algebra, there are various identities that are used. Some of the identities have been written over here. We call expansion of a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is the expansion of a plus b plus c whole square. You can see the many other identities in the books. Whichever are required can be used there. This is all about very fundamental algebra. We shall go over to algebraic equations in the next video. Thank you very much for viewing the channel.